Hi and welcome to my channel. For today's video I decided to make my own Witcher Medallion. Since Wolf Skull medallions are quite cheap and present in most internet stores, I chose to make the Griffin Skull one. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's start with the lower beak. It's the easier part, so it should be quick. Now take a little bit of clay and form the tip of the beak. The top of the head is way more difficult. It requires a lot of patience and cutting. Try adding some lines to the surface to help you keep all the right proportions. Once you are happy with the result, set your parts aside until they are dry. Now it's the time to paint our medallion. I will use my trusty silver sage paint. Let's also add some yellow paint to highlight the eyes. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel because it's the best way to support it. See you soon in the next video.